Hi Team 2-3, it's Ms. Caswell. I'm back with a little bit more baking and a little bit more math. One of the things I love about baking is that you get to try new things, and today I want to try this lemon marmalade. Marmalade's like jam, but it's usually made with citrus like oranges. This recipe calls for lemons, which is perfect because I have some lemons to use up. The only trouble is that it calls for 9 lemons. That's a lot of lemons. I don't have 9 lemons. I only have 3. And one of them's kind of sad and wrinkly looking, so I might actually have to sub in this lime over here. This lime's from my lime tree. She got tired of it the other day. She dropped it on the floor, so I'm guessing it's ripe and ready to use. But back to my lemon problem. I was getting pretty disappointed and discouraged, but then I started thinking, 3 lemons, 9 lemons, 3 lemons, 9 lemons, 3, 9. Wait a minute. Aren't those numbers related somehow? Of course they are. Ta-da! They're in the same fact family, right? 3 times 3 equals 9, and 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So maybe I could use math to help solve my problem. So let's see. If I needed 9 lemons, and I divided them into 3 groups, I'd have 3 in each group, right? And I could, instead of making all 3 groups for my recipe, I could just make 1 group. This is called making a third of the recipe because it takes 3 groups to make the whole recipe, and I'm just going to make 1 out of the 3 groups. I'm going to make 1/3. And this should work as long as I divide all the other ingredients into 3 groups also and just use 1 of the groups, as long as I use 1/3 of all the other ingredients. So this recipe calls for 9 lemons, 6 cups of sugar, whew, that's a lot, and 6 cups of water. So let's do a little math. Okay, so if I need 6 cups of sugar and 6 cups of water for the whole recipe, and I'm only making a third, I'm only making 1 out of 3 groups, I need to split these 6 cups into 3 groups. Do you see a way to do that? Yeah, I see it too. These 2 are a group, these 2 are a group, and these 2 are a group. There are 3 columns, and there's 2 in each column. So if I'm going to make 1/3 of the recipe, I'm only going to use 1 out of these 3 groups, meaning I'm going to use just these 2 cups of sugar and these 2 cups of water. That's because 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Wow, math has really saved the day. Now I'm going to try making some lemon marmalade, but I can't use that sharp knife and use my camera at the same time. So I'm going to hit pause. But I'm hoping maybe you'll think about doing some baking or maybe some math during your next few days off. And if you make something yummy, or even if you make a flop, have your parents send me a picture of it. I'd love to see what you've been doing. Bye for now.